Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So you guys asked for a more detailed smoky eye tutorial and that's what I'm doing in today's video. So let's get right into it. From the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, I am going into the shade called Abyss, which is a black shade. Now with a smoky eye, I find it easier starting from bottom to the top. Now what I mean by that is starting with the darker shade and then blending it out with the lighter shades. So I'm packing that black eyeshadow shade all over my lid, and now you definitely want to make sure you're using a very pigmented black eyeshadow. I found the one in this palette is very good. Next I'm going into this shade right next to Abyss called Soda Pop, and I'm going to use that to start blending out the harsh lines. And as you can see, I'm just going back and forth from my outer V to my inner corner, and I'm just going back and forth until it's blended out nicely. Lastly, I'm going into this dark brown shade called Mocha, and this shade is going to bring the whole smoky eye look together and give it that nice blend and finish. Again, going back and forth from my outer corner to my inner corner and just ensuring that it's all blended out nicely and there are no harsh lines. And this is pretty much all the eyeshadow shades I use for this look, just 3, and that's why this is a very simple look. It takes me less than 5 minutes to do this eyeshadow. So moving on, I'm lining my waterline with this black gel liner pencil from LA Girl. It's really pigmented. If you're looking for a really good eyeliner pencil, this is really good. And I hate this part. As you can see, my eyes are watering. Hate it. And to smoke it all out, I am going back with the same eyeshadows I used before, just 2 of them actually. I'm going in with Abyss first, the black eyeshadow shade, and then I go in with the dark brown shade Mocha. This is definitely optional if you want to add more sultriness, if that's even a word, to this look. Now applying a little bit of liquid eyeliner just before I apply lashes. The lashes I'm using are from AliExpress. I love these lashes. They are a bit long, but they definitely work with the look. I will link the lashes in the description bar below so you can check that out if you are interested. Eyes are done, so now I'm finishing off my face with some powder. I'm using the Studio Fix powder from MAC in NW45, and then I will contour with the same powder but in the shade NW58. For blush, I'm going into Raisin from MAC. This is my all-time favorite blush. I absolutely love it. And then now we're moving on to the lips, the star of the show. Yes. So I'm lining my lips with Night Moth from MAC. I'm using a lot of MAC, I just realized. But yeah, I'm using Night Moth from MAC to line my lips. As you can see, I'm creating a Cupid's bow for myself. Again, this is optional, but I like to do this just to kind of make my lips look a little bit, you know, fuller and just give it a nicer shape. I'm now going in with this gorgeous liquid matte lipstick from Fenty Beauty called Uncensored. I absolutely love this shade of red. It's absolutely beautiful and perfect for the Christmas season. And I'm just going back and forth with the lipstick and the lip liner until it's blended out nicely. It's kind of a subtle ombre lip, not too strong. Now adding finishing touches to my face. That is the end of this quick and easy smoky eye tutorial. This is definitely a look you can do for the Christmas season. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!